This week's learning point points out two things really. The importance of looking left when you're turning left, and also the huge dangers of overtaking near a junction. Just think of the impact speed if that had been a collision.
Why not? 03700, 100, 200. Why not indeed?
I might post that one to the police.
I'm actually pretty sure that the police would take a similar line to me though. It's down to the car emerging also to make sure that emerge is done safely. So even though the car shouldn't overtake across a junction, you shouldn't pull out if there's a car coming either.